Howdy, my name is Gage Geeslin, and this is my 3 full days of eating business trip to Knoxville edition. I work for the football team, and we had a game over in Knoxville, Tennessee. And these 3 full days kind of consist of on the road because we had a 14-hour bus ride for there and back. So this 3 full days is kind of lackluster, a lot of snacky items, a lot of just kind of catered items. But yeah, let's get into it. So the bus ride to Knoxville on October 13th, I had a protein shake and beef jerky because we stopped quite frequently on the 14-hour bus ride. And around noon, I had a Chick-fil-A sandwich and fries and fruit cup that was catered by the A&M football team. And around 3 o'clock, I had another Quest protein bar that I bought previously at 6 a.m. from the gas station. And then later that night, we got to the hotel and we went to this little sports bar. I had a Honey Drizzled chicken breast with sweet potatoes and broccoli. And at 10 p.m., I finished that off with a pumpkin pie blizzard from Dairy Queen. October 14th, that was the day of the game. Game day, woke up really early, had 2 cups of coffee and another Quest protein bar. Then around 9 and 10 a.m., we had a Bojangles chicken that was catered to the stadium. I had tenders and mac and cheese and a biscuit. And then around noon to 2 p.m., this was right before kickoff, very soon, I had a Uncrustable sandwich and grapes. And after the game, on the bus ride back, the start of the bus ride back, we had catered barbecue sandwich, green beans, mac and cheese, and banana pudding. And then this 14-hour drive back to College Station, we stopped at a gas station. I had a fruit cup and a Reign energy drink from Love's. I needed that caffeine in order to do some schoolwork on the bus. And then at 6 a.m. we stopped at Wendy's, and I picked up 2 breakfast tacos. And around 11 a.m. We got back in College Station. They had Smoothie King and Costa Vida catered. So I snagged me a Gladiator protein shake from Smoothie King and a chicken quesadilla. At 9 p.m. I made my first home cooked meal, which is one of my favorites, is scrambled eggs and ground beef. And yeah, that was my 3 full days, kind of all over the place. But once again, I was probably I had a roof over my head, maybe barely half the time over the 3 days. So why do I eat like this? I mean, obviously, like I just said, these 3 days were all over the place. I was on a bus for 28 hours of the 72. So, but you probably did notice that I had a lot of high protein stuff. Like beef jerky and protein shakes, and always had my meals focused around a protein source. That's because I do go to the gym a lot, and I try to maintain a high protein diet because one, it just makes my body feel good and makes me feel better overall, and it helps maintain my muscle mass that I built up over the years from going to the gym consistently. And lots of catered food. You obviously saw, I mean, that's just convenience, and and it's good food. I'm not gonna pass up on that. And just food on road trips like this for my work is just a really cool thing to have. Builds great memories, and a lot of the food that was catered, I don't really get to have that much whenever I'm at home. It's and all these, yeah, like all these foods that I have on the road are foods that I just enjoy, and keeps me and my energy levels stable. And one, I'm super busy. Out of these 72 hours, I probably worked 50 of them. So it just kind of I don't really get much choices in the things I ate over the 3 days. And reflection of myself. So the reflection of myself is that I'm a person who loves his protein, obviously. And you can tell that I'm busy and I really don't get much choice in what I get once again. But it's almost just like I see food as fuel. And it's kind of I remember back in the reading, people will see food as different types of things. They'll see it as like a celebration, happiness. I remember some people commented they will see foods as good and bad. For me personally, I don't see foods as good and bad. I just see it as fuel for myself. And yeah, that was my 3 full days of eating. Thank you.